This is your favorite boy, Eddie Electrical. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to scan for start times. How you can get your start time signal full. But make sure, first of all, make sure you have a good compass. Make sure you have a good compass as a beginner. Make sure you have a good compass. So this compass is going to tell you the direction at which the dish is facing. So the start time is facing the southeast. So as I'm facing right now, I'm facing the east. So on my right is where start time is. So our dish is going to be facing this direction. This direction is where our start time is. Make sure you have what is called compass, especially for the beginner when you are starting newly. Make sure you have this. It helps a lot to show you direction where you are going to scan, so where your dish is going to face. So today our dish is facing southeast. So our southeast is this way on my right hand side, while you are facing the east. So I'm facing you now. This direction of the start times. So and when you are scanning your start times, always make sure that your LMB is on 6 o'clock. This tells the position of the LMB. You know our DSTV is in 3 o'clock, but start times is 6 o'clock. So the frequency we are going to be using for this start time is going to be, the frequency we are going to use for start time is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Come again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Frequency. Then polarization is 27,500. Then is H horizontal. So it's H horizontal. So make sure your LMB is on 6 o'clock. You're able to get a full signal of the start time. So we're going to track. We're going to be turning gradually whenever you are scanning for your satellite, taking it gradually. When the sound comes, the tracker will beep up very high. Okay, Amogus got it. That's the signal there. I've gotten the signal. I'm trying to tie it. I'm having 47. I want to increase it a little. So I still remain your favorite boy, Eddie Electrical. Hope I'm able to teach you today how you can scan for your start times. Make sure your LMB is on 6 o'clock and your dish facing the southeast. While you are facing the east, on your right hand is your southeast, which is easy. As you can see, the DSTV is facing the east, so this side is southeast. Your LMB on 6 o'clock. I still remain your favorite boy, Eddie Electrical. Please click on the subscribe button for more updates and for more notification. Thank you. Let me show you what the signal is showing us. As you can see the signal here, you can see the frequency, which is 1 to 34127 ish, and signal is there. Thank you for following. Thank you. More day.